40 years ago, this giant machine disappeared beneath the seabed. Today, someone is attempting the impossible, bringing it back to life.
Look at the extent of the rust here. Amazing. Check out these deposits on the undercarriage. I think this is where the main engine was.
Cable secure.
Roger, checking my side.
Lifting now, brace yourselves. Feeling tension, it's moving.
Keep it steady. Watch the cables. All right, she's coming out. Careful with the deck.
The engine block shows significant corrosion, but the structural integrity seems okay.
Check the blade attachment points.
Noted. The chassis looks stable on the trailer.
Keep it slow and steady. Clear on the right. Watch the tracks as it comes in.
Severe rust and cracked paint on the cabin.
The hose is damaged.
Not looking good. We need to document this properly.
Agreed.
The intake manifold looks rough. Note that, we'll need to remove it completely. I'll grab the torque wrench for the tracks.
Keep it steady. Watch that cylinder. Grinder's off. Lift it clear now. Slow and left. Clear. Keep it steady. Hold it there. Got it. Got it. Almost got this one. Mine is stuck pretty good. There we go. It's free. All right, lift it up. Easy, watch the edge.
Nothing was left to chance. Every bolt, hose, gear, and mechanical component was documented and cataloged.
The corrosion is severe here, especially on the gear teeth. Yes, and the barnacle growth is incredibly dense on these valves. Let's look closer at the pistons. See the pitting?
$17.25. No, it's 17.23. Still a lot of rust here. Let me get a diameter on this one. Yeah. Just need to clean it thoroughly. Yeah. Looks good. Moving to the next section.
Keep it steady. All right, lowering it now. Hand me the ratchet. This one feels tight. All right, this one is heavily corroded. Need to check the bearing carefully. Copy that. Assess the wear.
The measurements look good here. All right, I'll grind out this section. All right, align this just right. There. Now to secure it tight.
All right, easy does it. Guide it down. Got it. Lining up the ports. Lock it in.
Secured.
Secured.
All right, looking much better. Just a little more over here.
Đó, Yên Xuân.
Keep it steady. Almost there. Line it up. Good, now press it.
Keep it steady. Watch the clearance on the left. Slow down. Slow down a bit. All right, it's a line. Drop it. Watch the pins. Lock it in. Almost there with this fuel line. Check the torque on that clamp. Electrics are all good. Just need this track pin seated.
Keep it steady. Tighten those bolts. Clear. It's secure. Check the grease. Looks good. Thumbs up. Let's move to the tracks.
All right, time to wake this beast up. And that's how it's done. Smooth as silk.
All right, let's see if she's ready. Engaging gears, smooth. Smooth. Fantastic, she runs beautifully.
"40 years beneath the seabed could not erase its history.